Welcome to Jump. In this video, we'll walk through your user portal and explain the key features available to you. On the top left, you'll see a toggle with two options: Jump Mode and Inventory Mode. Jump Mode is where you'll submit and manage your fulfillment jobs. Inventory Mode is where you'll add stock and manage your warehouse inventory. Let's start with Inventory Mode. Here, you can track your inventory and view a detailed transaction history for all your products. You can also submit requests to add stock into your warehouse inventory. Simply let your warehouse team know whether the products are coming from Trillium, being dropped off directly at the warehouse, or picked up by your warehouse team. From here, you can view the status of your current and previous stock requests, access a detailed activity log, edit newly created requests, or cancel requests that haven't yet been actioned by your warehouse team. Managing products is simple. Activate or deactivate any product with a single click. You can also manage your product categories. Some categories are assigned by your Jump administrator, while others can be created and customized by you. Finally, you can review both your current and previous cancellation requests. Now let's switch back to Jump Mode. This is where you'll create and manage your fulfillment jobs. To create a new job, simply select your recipient or customer. Enter the order details, choose the product source, and specify the quantities. You can also monitor the live status of all your jobs from this page. Here, you can add new recipients, update existing ones, and manage both residential recipients and commercial licensees. You'll also find your active cancellation requests, along with a history of previously canceled jobs. To summarize, Inventory Mode is used for adding and managing the inventory stored at your warehouse. Jump Mode is used for submitting and managing fulfillment jobs, whether the products are coming from Trillium, pickups, drop-offs, or your existing warehouse inventory. That concludes our overview of the Jump user portal. In the next tutorial, we'll take a closer look at each feature and walk through them step by step.